इनडिफाइनाइट इंटीग्रेशन बोर्ड क्वेश्चन अब हम फिनिश करने की और आगे बढ़ते एक कदम, राइट, बिकॉज वी आर एट 2019, so only 2020 is remaining, right? Then we start with definite integration. Okay, so question is e raised to x 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Now we have only formula 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. So applying that formula, I will be integration e raised to x. So 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square x by 2. We did this type of question. हमने इस type question solve किया है. Now we need compulsory here x by 2. So formula for sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So applying that formula 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. Bifurcating this, we get e raised to x. This is 1 upon 2 cos square, that is sec square x by 2 plus this 2 will be cut, 1 cos will be cut, so sin upon cos is tan x by 2. Now derivative of tan x is sec square x, so derivative of tan bracket is sec square bracket, derivative of bracket is 1 upon 2, so this is your fx and this is f dash x. So answer will be e raised to x fx. Fx is tan x by 2 and plus c. So proper answer for this will be e raised to x tan x by 2. That is option number B is your correct answer. So option number B is your correct answer. Now this, we did this type of question in previous video, that you have to adjust derivative of x square is twice x. So write down twice x here. So plus x, derivative of x is 1 and then adjust to 1, right? You will get your answer. So answer of this will be e raised to x x square plus x plus 1, right? E raised to x x square plus x plus 1. That is option B is your correct answer. So do it yourself. Now this is I think so for 3 or 4 marks will be there for there, right? So derivative of x square is minus twice x, so here is only x, so adjusting derivative of this here, what we have to do, I is equal to minus 1 upon 2, I am multiplying and divide by minus 2, right, into root twice ax minus x square and dx, right? Now derivative of this is this. Now derivative of this is twice a, so adding twice a and subtracting twice a, we will get minus 1 upon 2 integration, this is minus twice x plus twice a, right, and subtracting twice a and integration twice ax minus x square dx, right? Now multiplying this with this and this, so what we get, minus 1 upon 2 integration, I am writing this first, this is twice ax minus x square, right, raised to power half, and this is minus twice x plus twice a, right, dx, and multiplying this 2 will be cut, minus minus plus, so plus a integration under root, this is twice ax minus x square, right, and dx. Now this is fx raised to n, derivative of this is this, so fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is the answer. But what about this, we have to make this a perfect square, so this is x square, middle term is 2x, means last term will be minus a square as this is minus, so adding and subtracting a square here, what we get, this is minus 1 upon 2 integration, this is as it is, twice ax minus x square raised to half into minus twice x plus twice a dx, and plus a integration, now this is in root we require minus a square as this is a minus, right, so adding and subtracting a square, so a square minus a square plus twice ax minus x square and dx. So this is the, if we take a minus common, then this is a perfect square of x minus a whole square, right? So writing this, we get I is equal to minus 1 upon 2 integration twice ax minus x square, right, raised to half into this is minus twice x plus twice a dx, right, and plus a, this is plus a integration, this is under root a square minus x minus a whole square dx. A square minus, if we take minus common, then this is x minus a, with this plus become minus whole square dx. So integrating now, this is minus 1 upon 2 fx, this is f dash x, so fx raised to n plus 1, that is twice ax minus x square raised to half plus 1, that is 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2, right? And for this plus a as it is, formula of root a square minus x square, that is x by 2, x by 2 is x minus a by 2 into x by 2 root as it is, so this as it is, so this is root a square minus this, so if we simplify this we get twice a x minus x square, so I am writing directly that twice a x minus x square, because if we simplify this we get this term and this a square will be cut, so the remaining will be twice a x minus x square, right, plus a is plus, so plus a square by 2 is a square, so a square by 2, and a square minus x square, that is sine inverse x is x minus a upon a is a, right, and bracket over plus c is your answer. So this is 2 will be cut, so answer will be minus 1 upon 3 twice ax minus x square raised to 3 by 2, right, and if you want to take 2 common, then plus a by 2, right, into bracket x minus a into root twice ax minus x square, right, and plus this is a square into sine inverse x minus a by a and bracket over plus c. So this is your final answer. Got it? Any problem? Okay. So question number 78, integration root sin x upon cos x dx. If we assume for sin x is equal to t square, then derivative of sin is cos, but there is no cos, so divide and multiply by cos here. So what we get, I is equal to integration root sin x whole upon cos square x into cos x dx. Now if we assume for sine, then this must be in sine, so changing in 1 minus sine square, so this can be written as integration root sin x into this is 1 minus sine square x, and this is cos x dx. I am writing here cos x dx, right? Now assuming that sin x is equal to t square, so derivative of this is cos x dx is equal to twice t dt. So this is twice t dt. So substituting value, we get I is equal to integration, this is root t square, that is t, cos x dx is twice t dt whole upon 1 minus t raised to 4 dt. So this is integration 2t square, right? So this is 2t square whole upon 1 minus t raised to 4, that is 1 minus t square and 1 plus t square dt. If you want to take t square minus 1, then take minus common, so we get minus common integration. Now this is t square, can I write like this, t square plus t square, right, minus 1 and plus 1, and the factor of this will be same as t square minus 1, as we take minus common here, right, into t square plus 1 dt. Got it? Now bifurcating this, if you bifurcate this, then this will cut, that is answer is minus integration 1 upon 1 plus t square dt, and minus integration, this is right? T square plus 1 will be cut, so answer will be 1 upon t square minus 1 dt. This is simple tan inverse formula. This is x square minus a square formula. So answer will be minus tan inverse t minus 1 upon twice a. So twice a is 2, a is 1, log more x minus a, that is t minus 1 upon x plus a, that is t plus 1 and plus c. Now substitute value of t. What is t? T is root sin x. So answer will be, I think it is not given, right? Answer will be tan inverse. T is sin in root sin x. So answer will be minus tan inverse root sin x minus 1 upon 2 log root sin x minus 1 upon root sin x plus 1 and plus c. This is your answer, right? So nice question for 2 or 3 marks. Now this is last year exam, right? That is this year, right? Last exam 2020 first question is very easy. If we take cos x is common here, then we get 1 minus cos square x upon 1 minus cos cube x is there, right? So what we get? I will be integration under root, this is 1 minus cos square x, right? And we take cos x common, whole upon 1 minus cos x whole cube is there and dx, right? So everything is in square root. This is my mistake, right? Now 1 minus cos square is sin square and root of sin square is sin x. So this is integration root cos x as it is and 1 minus cos square is sin x, right? Whole upon under root. This is 1 minus, I want something square. So if I am writing something square, then this will be cos raised to, this is cos cube. So what I have to write? Cos cube, that is cos raised to 3. What I have to write? Cos raised to 3 by 2x whole square dx. Any problem? This will be cut. Then answer is cos cube x. What is here? Got it? Why this? Because we have formula for only something square. So I want x square. So instead of x square, no x square is there. So dividing by 2 and multiply by 2. Now assuming this as a t. So let cos raised to 3 by 2x is equal to t. Then answer of this, derivative of this is 3 by 2. Right? Bracket raised to n minus 1, that is cos x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1 is 3 minus 2, 1 upon 2. That is half x. And derivative of cos is minus sin x. Right? dx is equal to dt. Got it? So what we have? Root cos x is this. Sin x is this. So taking constant to opposite side, we get root cos x sin x is equal to minus 2 by 3. This become minus 2 by 3, right? We forget to write dx here. Dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 dt. So this everything is minus 2 by 3 dt. So what we get? I is equal to minus 2 by 3, right? Whole upon. This is under root 1 minus, what is this? T square dt. So answer will be minus 2 by 3 and this is the formula for sin inverse t, right? So sin inverse t plus c, that is minus 2 by 3, right? Sin inverse, what is t? Is cos raised to 3 by 2x. So cos raised to, sin inverse and t is cos raised to 3 by 2 x and plus c, that is 79. Your answer will be option C, right? So option C is your correct answer. पता चला? हाँ? क्या किया यहाँ पे ये पता चला ये cos क्यूब था, मगर मुझे स्क्वायर चाहिए, so we have to divide by 2, so divide by 2, so 3 by 2 into 2, this will be made cos cube, and this is something new, so assuming this as a t. Now same example is there, integration e raised to 1 upon e raised to x plus 1 dx is equal to something given answer, and we have to compare the with coefficient, so there is nothing, right? So what to do, adjust numerator in denominator in numerator, तो क्या होगा I is equal to integration e raised to x plus 1. Can I write like this, e raised to x plus 1 here? So what I did, I add e raised to x, so I have to subtract e raised to x, right? dx. So this will be separate. So what we get, integration dx minus integration e raised to x upon e raised to x plus 1 dx. By after bifurcating we get this. Now integration of this is x, derivative of the denominator is in numerator. So what is your answer? X minus log mod e raised to x plus 1 plus c. That is your answer. And comparing with this, p is 1. So p is 1 and q is minus 1. So q is equal to minus 1. So what you want? P plus q. What you require? P plus q. That is p plus q is what you want, p plus q or p minus q. Here this is minus, so q is also 1. Q has minus sign, this is minus, so p and q both are 1. So p plus q is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is 2. Your answer, which is given in question number 80, is option B, right? So option B is your correct answer. Got it? So another question of 2020 is a nice question. Given that e raised to x cube 5x square x into log 25 plus 3x dx, right? So this both has a constant base. So we assume for this, right? So we assume that e raised to x cube into 5x square is equal to t, right? यही क्यों लिया? क्यों x cube नहीं लिया? यदि x स्क्वायर है तो इसका डेरिवेटिव x स्क्वायर आता है, मगर ये पावर पे है. How to change? No idea. So that's why we are taking both as a constant. So taking both as a t. So derivative of this u into v. So e raised to x cube as it is. Derivative of this 5x square, right? 5x square means a raised to x derivative is 5x square into log 5x square. A raised to x. A raised to bracket into log 5, and derivative of bracket is again is twice x. Got it? A raised to bracket is a raised to bracket into log a into derivative of bracket is twice x plus 5 raised to x square as it is. So 5 raised to x square as it is. Now derivative of this e raised to bracket is e raised to bracket, and derivative of bracket is 3x square. Bracket over, both bracket over. This is dx is equal to dt. This is what we want, we get, right? Now see, in both bracket this is common, e raised to 5x cube and 5 raised to x square. So taking that common, so e raised to x cube into 5 raised to x square is common. So what we get here? This is 2 times log 5 into x. 2 times log 5 into x. This is common, right? So plus 3x square, right? dx is equal to dt. 3x square dx is equal to dt. So taking x common also, we get e raised to x cube 5 raised to x square. X is common, so x is common. This is 2 log 5. Right? So taking 2 to here, this become log 25. So log 25 plus x is common. So this is 3x and this is dx is equal to dt. Right? So now see, this is e raised to x cube 5x square x log 25 3x dx. So this is nothing but dt. So what is answer? I is equal to integration t dt and integration of only dt. Answer of this is integration, this everything is dt. So answer is dt. So integration is t plus c. And what is t? T is e raised to x cube into 5 raised to x square plus c is the answer. That is answer e raised to x to 5x square is in option D. So option D is your correct answer. Now 82. It's very easy. We get quadratic but no first term, that is last term is 1. So we need x square is minus, so we need 1 is minus. So adding 1 and subtracting 1, we get I is equal to integration 1 upon square root of 1 minus 1 plus twice x minus x square and dx. Got it? Right? Now taking 1 common, so this is become minus become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus. So we get integration 1 upon under root 1 minus, this is x square minus twice x plus 1 and dx. So this is nothing but integration 1 upon under root 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx. So this is the formula for 1 upon a square minus x square. That is sine inverse x upon a. That is sine inverse x minus 1 plus c. This is your answer, and this answer is given in option number C. That is third answer. Option C is your correct answer. Right? Now, in next video lecture, you are going to solve, right? Also we, right? So we are going to solve a question जो किसी को पता नहीं चला था और इसकी वजह से जो 4 मार्क्स गए थे 2020 में, राइट? कोई 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन था, उसमें क्या करना है, हाफ स्टेज आके सब स्टॉप हो गए थे, सबका स्टक हो गया था, गाड़ी आगे चला ही नहीं था, राइट? लाइनर जाम हो गया था. वो एग्जाम हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में सॉल्व करेंगे, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर हमारा ये बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस का सॉल्यूशन का लास्ट वीडियो रहेगा, राइट? इसके बाद हम डिफाइनाइट इंटीग्रेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके.